Family. Today we're going to do eyebrows.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Moxam Family. My name is Mara. I'm the woman of the family. Today we're gonna do eyebrows like you guys requested. So I'm about to do my eyebrows. Yeah, but we're not talking about that type of eyebrows. We're talking about slick type of eyebrows. Alright, today we're gonna be using our ruby pencil, and it is brown. I like brown eyebrows, dark brown. I don't like it when it's too dark. I mean, I do it sometimes, but I don't really like it. Anyway, so I am gonna go like this, and my eyebrows is already, you just need to make sure that you draw it in the way your eyebrow is already done already, and then you're going to need to make the arch. I'm just simply following the arch, and I'm going to put it up a little bit more because I don't like when the eyebrows is too down. So I'm gonna do the other one now, because you want to always make sure that the eyebrows are asymmetrical, right? And remember I said you want to put it up a little bit more, because once you have that eyelash done, even if you don't, like, it's always nicer to have a higher eyebrows. I mean, people do their eyebrows different. For me, I still do my eyebrows like this, and it still works for me. And I do my eyebrows every day. And if you do notice, I'm not like touching the end. I don't. So there you got it. There's my eyebrow. So now I'm going to use my concealer. I'm using two concealers today. I'm going to mix them together. This is Warm Honey. Yes, Warm Honey, and this is Beautiful Bronze. I'm going to mix them together and, you know, put it on my eyebrows. However, I don't like too bright and I don't like it too dark, so I'm just going to blend it to my skin color. So here we go. And I just go ahead and do shit. I don't be
Eyebrows with no eyebrows.
I'm going to make sure that that's too dark.
I thought to be bald with eyebrows and brown.
No, I'm not.
Well,
Let go of my hand scaling. And you do need to do this over a period of time so you get better at it. You don't just get up and be perfect. But it's real easy to do though. See? That was real easy. And I usually do it like this when it's like every day I'm where this is just me like using this brush to just spoon it out, make sure that everything is, you know. I'm gonna do the next eyebrow now. KK, you can't hold on to my shoulder. I'm gonna need to be fully focused.
How about this? How about this?
I know, but I don't want that. I use this brush because it gives me more control. And I use this thing that it comes out of because it gives me more control.
Mom, this is so soft.
So I'm gonna go ahead and go back over with my pencil and just make sure that
So?
pencil. After I finish doing all of that, I always like to go back and make sure that the end is slicked. Wait.
Here. Mom, here.
So there you got it. It's exactly how I do my eyebrows. So you guys ask me how I do my eyebrows. This is how I do my eyebrows. For more videos like this, all I want you to do is like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. How do you think my eyebrows will look? And this is for just like everyday wear. This is not like a full face of makeup or anything. This is just everyday wear. So drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. Tell them what to do now, KK.
Subscribe, like, share, and comment, and like the video.
Yes, do what my baby say. Bye.